welcome to the last lesson in this module. We're going to be talking about Canada's justice system, and the information for this is found in your Discover Canada guide on pages 36 and 37. Now, I've decided to include this information about the justice system in the module about the Canadian government, because if we have a quick look at the chart on the bottom of page 29 in your guide, you see the judiciary, which includes the courts as part of the government. Please do notice that it sits separate and independent from the Parliament, where the laws are made, and this is an important separation to have. We want our courts to be outside of our political system for fairness. At the top of page 36, it says the Canadian justice system makes sure that everyone gets fair and just treatment by respecting all of their legal rights under the law, and this is called due process. Here, we see the phrase presumption of innocence. This means when someone is accused of committing a crime, the justice system must believe that person is innocent until there is enough proof to show that they are guilty. Or in other words, everyone is innocent until proven guilty. You see an image in your guide of a woman with a blindfold on. This is a statue, and it's called the Scales of Justice. It reminds Canadians that the laws must only consider the facts in order to be fair. Canada's legal system is based on these four things: the rule of law, freedom under the law, democratic principles, and due process. Canada is governed by written laws that are made by our elected representatives. These laws apply to all Canadians, from judges to politicians to the police. The laws provide order in our society and a peaceful way to settle our problems. The laws also reflect what we believe in as Canadians. One important point to understand about our justice system is that the role of the courts is to settle our disputes or arguments peacefully. The role of the police is different. The police enforce our laws. The Supreme Court of Canada is our country's highest court. There is also a federal court that deals with disputes of the federal government. The provinces have their own courts, similar to the Supreme Court, and there are other courts for smaller disputes. There is family court, traffic court, and small claims court for civil cases about small sums of money. The role of the police is to help keep people safe and make sure that the Canadian people follow the laws. You can call the police for help in all kinds of situations, and you don't need to give them money to help you. Call them if there has been an accident, or if someone has stolen something from you. You can call if you are a victim of assault, so someone has hit you or beaten you up. You can call if you see a crime happening, or if someone you know has gone missing. There are different types of police in Canada. You have already learned about the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. They enforce federal laws across Canada, but they also serve as a provincial police force in all of the provinces and territories except for Quebec and Ontario. Quebec and Ontario have their own provincial police forces. Most larger cities also have their own police force. It is important to know that you can question the police about their service or behavior if you don't think they are treating you fairly. You can bring your concerns to the police and they should listen and try to help. If you have a legal problem, you can get a lawyer to help you understand what to do and to represent you in court. If you can't pay for a lawyer, there are legal aid services in most communities, and they can help you at a lower cost. So I hope this lesson helped you understand more about Canada's justice system. There are many people who work hard to make our justice system more fair for all Canadians. So, I have included some links and resources in the links and resources area of the module for you. So I hope you get a chance to check those out, and we'll see you in the next module.